What is up, Omo TV fan base? Omo TV Max here with the Omo people behind the camera, and we're out here in the beautiful nature. And today we're going to be giving you guys our top tips on how to get up right when you wake up early in the morning. Alrighty then, guys. So our very first tip, and these are in no particular order, is to get a minimum of 8 hours of sleep every night and have a consistent sleep schedule. So why is it important to get 8 hours of sleep every night? Well, it's important to get 8 hours of sleep every night because it will decrease the amount of ghrelin hormone being produced by your body, which will reduce your appetite. It will also improve your mood, and it will allow you to think more clearly. These are important just for daily life, and when you have 8 hours of sleep every night, you'll be able to exercise more in the day and go about your day much easier, which will allow you to get more tired for the next night. And why is it important to have a consistent sleep schedule is because if you sleep for the same time every night, and wake up at the same time every morning, then your body will get used to it, and you won't even have to force yourself to go to sleep. There will never be a struggle. Waking up, you'll most likely wake up before your alarm if you have a consistent sleep schedule, you guys. It's so important.
Okay guys, so the second tip is gonna be to set an alarm that's far away from you, so then you have to go up and get it. And the reason why you're gonna wanna do this is to get up, actually physically get out of your bed to go stop hearing that annoying sound. You make sure you set an annoying sound for your alarm, so you have to go shut it off. And to do this, you're just gonna wanna jump out of bed. Literally, don't even think about it. As soon as you open your eyes, you hear the alarm, just jump right out of bed. It'll get the energy going. Drink a glass of water. You should always have a glass or two of water beside your bed to refresh yourself. You've been dehydrated for 8 hours. So jump out of bed, go get that alarm off, and then your blood will be flowing, everything will get going, and then you get to your morning routine.
Alright guys, so our third tip is to make your bed right after you get out of it. So once you've gotten up, to shut your alarm off. That should be far away from your bed, not right beside you. It definitely should not be your phone. You should definitely get an alarm clock. You can get it for cheap, I'm sure, for like $5. So get an alarm clock, not your phone, because your phone should not be near your bed, okay? So once you've jumped out of bed and you've got that surge of energy, after a little bit, you are gonna wanna go back to bed. But what you should do is you should make your bed right after getting out of it. This will incentivize you to not get back into the bed. It will get your body kind of used to movements for the morning. And also, it is great for building discipline, which will be more important later on in this advice video. And finally, it's very nice to go to bed in a made bed every night.
Guys, so for this fourth tip, it's a very small tip, but I actually learned it a few months ago. And it is to keep your blinds open if you have a window in your room in the morning. And so in the morning, the sun shines in your room and your whole room lights up. So as soon as you open your eyes, it's not this dark, gloomy room where you want to go back to bed in and you still feel tired. It's going to be a bright room and your eyes are going to be wide open and you just want to get out of bed. And with all the light in your room, it'll be more difficult to fall asleep.
Alright guys, so our fifth tip is to build up discipline in other aspects of your life. Because I'm pretty sure you know this yourself, and anyone can tell you that it takes a lot of discipline to just be able to get yourself out of bed in the morning. It can be really hard. And that's why we're trying to tell people other ways to do it, such as, putting your alarm far away and stuff and having good sleep. But also, if you just build more discipline, it can become a lot easier and more simple to get out of bed. So if you train your mind to do the things it doesn't want to do, it becomes a lot easier to just get right out of bed in the morning. There's gonna be no second thoughts. There's gonna be no, oh, this is so comfortable. Oh, I could just use 50 more minutes. None of that. So how can you build more discipline? So there's a lot of different ways and different aspects of your life that you can build discipline in. So if it's with school, let's say, you can decide to study more often. Because of course, nobody likes to study or do homework for the most part. I would say 99% of people do not like to study. So make it a goal to study an extra half an hour every day. And make sure you do it every time. That will build more discipline. That will allow your brain to do things it doesn't want to do. Instead of taking hot showers, you can take cold showers, which, when you're taking a shower, of course, it's great to take a hot shower. It's nice and relaxing, but a cold shower, that's hard to do. So that also trains your mind to do the things it doesn't want to do. And once you've built up this discipline, you can use something called the 5-second rule. Okay, the 5-second rule, it's not gonna work for everyone. I've seen a lot of other videos and people saying that you should just do the 5-second rule. Just count down to 5, and before you hit 0, jump out of bed. That really does not work. You have to work up to that for sure. So do the things I said previously, then work yourself up to be able to do the 5-second rule, and then hop right out of bed within 5 seconds of waking up after that.
Okay guys, so for the sixth tip, it is going to be have a reason to get up early. So a lot of people just get up early just for their job because they have to, and it's just like a chore. But once you actually start doing this, you'll realize that you have a lot of time to do productive things earlier in the day. So, with this extra 30 minutes to 2 hours, let's say, you can learn a language, you can do a quick workout, you can maybe go out with your friend on a run. You can do all these things, and then it'll be fun to wake up early, so that it's not like a chore to do it. So for example, we wake up at around 7 to 8 a.m. every morning to record videos. So it makes it fun for us to wake up early, and you guys need to find your reason to wake up early.
Alright guys, so our 7th and final tip is to exercise throughout the day, and also to be tired when you go to sleep in general. Because if you're tired when you go to sleep, it'll be a lot easier to just, well, first of all, right when you go to bed, you'll be able to fall asleep because, you're not going to be full of energy, you're not going to be picking up your phone and, going on TikToks for, 3 hours, and then you realize you're screwed the next morning. So if you exercise throughout the day and get yourself tired for the night, and you fall asleep very easily, it'll become much easier to wake up in the morning as well. So that is our 8th tip, is to exercise more often. Guys, exercising has a myriad of benefits, more than just helping you fall asleep. It'll improve your mood, you'll feel better, you'll look better. It's honestly so great for you, and I think even if you just dedicate half an hour a day to light cardio, that's more than good enough, and you can work yourself up from there. All these techniques that we just told you guys about in the video, they are all tried and true. They're techniques that Omoloma FIFA and I use ourselves every day to get ourselves up, ready to grind, ready to make more videos for you guys on the YouTube channel. Employ them just one at a time, and soon enough it'll be super easy for you guys to just get up in the morning and rise and grind, Omoloma style.
If you made it this far in the video, make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you made it this far and you want to subscribe, our channel will be right here, and a video you might like will be right here. See you guys in the next one.